Today, we're diving into something that I think almost everyone has felt at some point. Why is it that you can be doing an exercise for your arms or your abs, but it's your neck and your lower back that are screaming at you? Right? It's so frustrating. But it's not random at all. There's actually a hidden breakdown in communication happening inside your body, a kind of turf war between two very different muscle teams. And today, we're going to figure out what's going on. You see, the whole secret to moving well and without pain is understanding that not all muscles are created equal. Your body has these two specialized teams, and they have completely different playbooks. When they stop working together, well, that's when you start feeling it in all the wrong places. And this slide just lays it all out perfectly. So, on one side, you've got the stabilizers. These are your deep internal muscles, the ones right up against your spine. Think of them as the unsung heroes, the support crew, built for endurance. Their job is just to hold everything steady. And then, on the other side, you've got the movers. These are the big, flashy muscles on the surface, the ones you see in the mirror. They're the stars of the show, built for explosive power and big actions. Okay, and this crane analogy, it is the perfect way to picture how this whole system is supposed to work. It's not that one team is more important than the other. It's all about how they cooperate, right? I mean, a crane is useless without both its solid, stable base and its powerful lifting arm. And your body is exactly the same. So let's start with the big guys, the global movers. In our analogy, these are the massive, powerful lifting arm of that crane, the part that does all the heavy work. These are the muscles you probably think of when you think about strength. Your lats, the wings of your back, and your traps, that big diamond-shaped muscle up top. Their entire purpose in life is to generate force. They are the engine of your body, designed for pulling, pushing, lifting, all the powerful stuff. But here's the thing, a powerful engine is completely useless without a solid frame to put it in. So now, let's meet the crane's stabilizing base, the local stabilizers. These muscles are the complete opposite of the movers. They're deep, they're hidden away, wrapped tightly around your spine. And get this, their job isn't to create movement, it's actually to prevent it. They're like the outriggers on the crane. They fire up first to create this super rigid, stable platform so that when the big movers kick in, all that power goes exactly where you want it to go, safely and efficiently. And this sequence, honestly, this is everything. It is the absolute key. It's not just about using both muscle teams, it's about the order they fire in. Stability has to come first. The stabilizers need to contract and lock down that foundation before the movers even think about starting their job. First the base locks, then the arm moves. It has to be in that order. Well, this right here is the moment things go wrong. This is exactly where that neck and back pain you feel comes from. When that sequence breaks, your body has to find a workaround. It has to cheat. And experts call this compensatory action. Basically, the wrong muscles trying to do the job of the right ones. When those stabilizers are late to the party or don't show up at all, the powerful mover muscles, they try to do everything. They try to stabilize and move at the same time. And let me tell you, they are terrible at stabilizing. It's like asking your star quarterback to also play center. They might try, but it's gonna be messy. I mean, just look at the difference on the slide. It's night and day. On the left, everything is calm, controlled, efficient. But look at the right side. The ribs are flaring out. The lower back is arching like crazy. The shoulders are shrugging up towards the ears. That is the look of a body in crisis mode. The movers are just yanking on an unstable foundation, pulling everything out of alignment just to get the job done. And here is a fantastic pro tip for you. You can literally spot this happening in real time. That strained look on someone's face, the wrinkles forming on their neck as they lift, that's not a sign of working hard. It's a sign of working inefficiently. It's your mover muscles screaming for help because their support crew, the stabilizers, never showed up. Okay, so we've diagnosed the problem, we know what's going wrong. The big question is, how do we fix it? How do we actually retrain the system and get these two muscle teams to start cooperating again? Well, this is where practices like Pilates are just brilliant because they're built around this exact principle. Just look at these examples. In a swan, the common fault is just cranking from the lower back. The solution? First, stabilize the core, then lift using the mid-back. Or a spine twist. Instead of turning like a log, the goal is to lock the pelvis down, stabilize, and then use your obliques to rotate your ribs. Do Do you see the pattern? It's always about teaching the body to find stability first and then move from that stable base. So, here's the real takeaway from all of this. The next time a trainer tells you to engage your core, it's not just about trying to get a six pack. What they're really telling you is to set your foundation. They're telling you to activate your stabilizers, to lock down the base of your crane so that your powerful movers can do their job properly without causing a bunch of chaos. And that's the question that really changes everything, isn't it? Just by asking yourself that one thing, is my foundation set? Before you move, you can start to completely rewire these patterns. You can make every single exercise safer, stronger, and way more effective. And that right there is the key to turning all that wasted effort into truly intelligent strength.